Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Zero number 339D. This is a dark bronze anodized aluminum door sweep with a solid piece of neoprene insert. The 339 is representative of the profile of this item: an aluminum holder, large, generous piece of neoprene. The D is representative of the finish, a dark bronze anodized finish. If you went with an AA after the 339, it would become an anodized aluminum finish. Not mill, it's clear anodized aluminum. And the 339 is an industry standard. Why? Well, dimensionally, it's very compatible with most installations. Aesthetically, it's very good looking. It's robust, long-lasting, and heavy-duty. And when I have a client that says, "Give me the heavy-duty one," they mean give me a neoprene sweep. And this is a great option to offer a client that has finally said, "I'm just willing to pay for the good stuff." That's really what it is. Okay? And the 339D is a good example of that. There's an image below this video showing the important dimensional properties. You can see immediately how compatible it is. Inch and 13/16 basically overall height, 1 inch worth of the aluminum, 13/16 worth of the neoprene. You've got a thickness just shy of a 1/4 inch, and all of that conspires to be a very common sort of sweep where you're going to be able to have this tailor, as the drawing shows, to the beveled edge of a threshold. It's long enough to account for a little bit different, funny sort of sill condition. Okay, it's not short, 1/2 inch, 3/8. It's a little bit more generous in the length. Is available, and where you're going to see this is in commercial applications primarily. The exterior back door of a restaurant is a good application because there's a lot of traffic there. Although restaurant guys usually like bristle, and Zero can of course supply that to you. But an installation that needs to hold up. A better example is the rear sets of emergency egress doors on a big box store. You could have 3 pair of doors on a 100,000 square foot building. Those doors are rarely, if ever, used. They need to be weather tight, and they need to have something robust and long lasting. Even though they're not going to be used often, they need to be able to seal well for a long time. Set it and forget it would be the principle, and that's where you'd upgrade to something like this. That's a good example. Maybe an exterior aluminum storefront with the anodized, dark bronze anodized finish, where you're going to have a lot of traffic. Great option. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, which allows you to review this and all of Zero's sister products as it pertains to door sweeps and neoprene. This is available in the website in several different lengths. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now the reasoning is if you had to take this 36-inch piece and cut it down to say 32-inch, you'd eliminate that slotted hole that's there. That slotted hole is incredibly handy, and speaking of it, screws are included in a complementary finish. A slotted hole is going to help compensate for several factors: a sill that's not level, a door that's not plumb, jambs that are twisted. Also, when you're pre-drilling the screw holes for the door sweep, for the screws, the drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces in, and that slotted hole helps compensate for that. An ill-fitting door sweep is akin to a problem. If you have a fire-rated door, and the door closer can no longer close the door because of an ill-fitting door sweep, you'd no longer technically have a fire-rated door. If it's too shy and is not making contact, what was the point in having a door sweep? There's no seal that's occurring. So slotted holes are crucial. If you ordered a custom length, we'd not only locate that first slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. The next one's all the way over here, by the way. Now the name Zero is synonymous with all things weather stripping related. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Zero product catalog and review all things weather stripping related from them. If you have more than an occasional need for weather stripping, you will want to familiarize yourself with it, because Zero's approach, and the reason that I'm partial to Zero, the reason, is their well incredibly well, deeply thought out solutions to weather stripping problems. Their unique approach is layers deeper in sort of flushing out the best way to control transfer of heat, cold, moisture, temperature on both sides of a door, greater than all others in my opinion. And that's why I'm partial to them. So that catalog's a handy resource. If you have any questions on the Reese 339D neoprene and aluminum dark bronze anodized door sweep, or any other Zero product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.